how would you add 1/2 and 1/3? Okay, so yeah, again, this is an application of LCM. So to add fractions, uh, uh, what we have to do is you have to make the denominators equal. Okay, so let me write that. You have to make the denominators equal. Denominators equal. So you got two denominators. You got 2 and 3 other denominators. So you have to you have to find the least common multiple of 2 and 3. So what's the LCM, or the least common multiple of 2 and 3? Well, that's easy. That's 6. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 2 is 6. So this 1/2 is same as writing 2 uh, 1/2 I want to write as 6. So 1/2 is how many sixes? Well, that is 3 6. 1/2 is same as 3 6. So basically what we have done is we have multiplied this by 3. So it also multiply this top number by 3, the numerator by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 6. So if you take 1/3, I want to write 1/3 as a 6. So I'm thinking 3 times what is 6? Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So if you multiply the denominator by 2, you have also to multiply the numerator by 2, so which is 2/6. So this is same as writing, in place of 1/2, we can write 3/6. So this is same as writing 3/6 plus 2/6, which is 5/6. So I want to explain this 5/6 in a diagram. So let me draw. So this is a circle. These are two circles. Okay. Now these are two circles. So the question is 1/2 plus 1/3. So now I'm dividing this into halves. So this is 2 halves. So this is 1/2. Whenever you have a fraction, you should be in a position to see this in a diagram. So this is 1/2 and this is 1/2. Now this circle I'm going to divide into 3 parts. So I'm going to divide this into 3 parts. So this is 1/3, this is 1/3, and this is 1/3. So the question is, what is 1/2 plus? So this is 1/2, this is 1/2, and this is 1/3. Oops, okay, I don't want this. So this is the question, 1/2 plus 1/3. Now you can't add this. So let me draw 2 circles again. So this is circle, and again this is circle. And now I'm going to divide this into 6, just to explain for those who find addition of fractions difficult. I'm going to divide this into 6 and this also into 6's, and that's why we have to find the least common multiple. So this is this much. I hope you can see this. Let me shade this. This much is how much? This is 3 out of the 6 equal parts. So this is 3/6, and 3/6 I hope you can see is same as 1/2. Okay, and let me shade this with blue. This is how many parts of the 6 equal parts? Well, this is 2 2/6, 2 out of the 6 equal parts. When you write 2/6, what are we saying is 2 out of the 6 equal parts, and that is same as 1/3. Okay, so this, so I hope you can see this. So let me drag this. Let me drag this and place it on top of this to show that they are equal. So can you see they are equal? So this 1/3 is same as 2/6, and this 1/2 is same as 3/6. Okay, so this is, can you see this is 1/2 I have placed as. So let me bring this back, and hopefully I have to, yeah, no, Okay, yeah, so this is 1/3, and let me bring this back. Okay, so this is, okay, so this is 2/6, so, and let me bring this back. Okay, so, and that's why 1/2 plus 1/3 is 5/6. Okay, so let me do a few more examples without drawing the circle. Now this is good when you have got uh, two numbers or easy fractions, but you can't do this every time. So let's take the next example. What is 2/3 plus 1/4? 2/3 plus 1/4. So the first thing that you have to do is to find the least common multiple. So least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to write 2/3. I want to write 2/3 as 12. So 3 times what is 12? So well, 3 times 4 is 12. So you have to do the same thing to the numerator. So this is 8/12. And you got 1/4. I want to write as something out of 12. So 3 times what is 12? So 4 times 3 is 12. So you do the same thing to the top number. So now 2/3, this is 2/3 is same as saying 8/12. So this is equal to 8/12 plus 3/12, which is 11/12. 11 out of 12. Okay, let's do one more example, which is not going to end up with a neat number. So this is 3/5 plus 3/4. Okay, now students start doing crazy things when they see the top numbers. They add the denominator. Okay, so basically there's only one rule: when you're adding fractions, the denominators have to be equal. So the least common multiple here is 20. 5 times 4 is 20, so I'm writing same. So this is, I'm going to do this directly. This is out of 20 plus out of 20. So 3/5 is how much out of 20? So well, that is 3 times 5 times 4 is 20. So you do the same thing to the top number. So this is 12 out of 20. And 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 5 is 15. So this becomes this. So this is 27 out of 20. Now this is not a proper fraction, so we want to write this as an improper fraction. So can I write this as 20 plus 7 out of 20? And I can distribute this like this. So this is 20 out of 20 plus 7 out of 20, which is 1 plus 7 out of 20. And so this is called a mixed number, which is 1 whole 7 out of 20. Okay, and finally, what is 5/6 plus 1/4? Here the LCM is a bit tricky. It's not 24. LCM is 12 here, because 6 times 2 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to change color now, just for the sake of changing. So I want to write out of 12. Okay, so this is times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So this is 10 out of 12 plus 3 out of 12, which is 13 out of 12, which is 12 plus 1 out of 12, which is 12 out of 12 plus 1 out of 12, which is 1 plus 1/12. So final answer is 1 whole 1/12.